significant rotation in the base of this storm, and this storm is going to tornado. And if it doesn't, then you can see the rotation. Look at the rotation. My gosh. The whole storm is rotating.
Even I can see it and I don't know anything.
The whole base of the storm is rotating. You feel the inflow? That wind at our backside? That's inflow into the base of the storm. Pull back out. We're gonna need to move east. I mean west. East. We're gonna need to move east and soon.
Why?
Because it's coming this way?
Yeah, but that's good.
No, that's bad. Trust me. That is?
What?
That's a funnel cloud.
Is it really?
Oh yeah. Funnel cloud in western Carter County. Look at it, it's rotating.
You calling it in?
Rotating. Look at it needling down.
Oh, nice.
Sigh. Tornado. Wow. That's a tornado, Sigh. Wow. It's rotation. Got a tornado. This is in western Carter County. Wow.
That's full on, man.
A full-on tornado, Sigh. Oh my God, Sigh! Come here. Come here.
What?
I want you to film.
You should go back over there because you get up.
Just film. Here.
Get a better view.
It's on. It's recording. Just film.
Just don't do anything.
Just film. Just film.
Pretty fucking cool, actually. Uh-oh, going away. Come on back. You can do it. Wicked lightning, I may die in a minute. So if the camera falls to the ground, that's what that means. Maybe like the Blair Witch Project, except like for real. And kind of involving me, and therefore more sad. Yo, Dan! Hey, Dan! That lightning was pretty extreme. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Lightning scares me more than tornadoes. You want me to stop recording? Yes? Hey, you want me to stop recording for a while? You want me to stop recording for a while? Okay, I thought you might be trying to... Why? Yeah, if I'm closer to the car, I could probably get into the car before the lightning hit me. Oh. Got a lot of wind coming into us from the back now. I've heard that the best way not to get struck by lightning is to stand out in the middle of a big field surrounded by nothing. Like, be the tallest thing around. That way lightning, impressed by your stupid arrogance, chooses to spare you. I'm filming! What do we have come? Yes. Yep. Yep. Yes. I don't know what you mean by check the focus, though. Yep. Dan is shouting incoherently about debris on the ground. Those of you that know Dan knows that he gets fairly excited about this sort of thing. I'm excited too, but this is how I display my excitement. Yeah, okay. Nuh-uh.